Okay, so I've come up with an idea which I think will work. It actually took surprisingly quickly to figure it out. So the dome is rotating. The only thing I have to really adjust is just the height. Like this bit, I just need to saw off these uprights so it has an equal height like these. But essentially, I think that's going to work. And it shouldn't interfere with the eye mechanism. And it's kind of working on the principle of a wooden ring, which is just a leftover offcut actually from a cable drum that I cut up to make a driver wheel for another Dalek. And inside here I've just basically got 3 wheels mounted on this planter tray, and that's it, and it works a treat. So all I really need now is just to secure everything and fiberglass it and drill a locator hole in each section in order to have a bolt through the middle so the whole thing centralizes. And yeah, then I've got a working dome which will rotate. So I'm quite chuffed that I've figured that out. So I may finish early today and go down the beach. So today I'm working on the eye stalk mechanism, which is basically held in with a couple of thread bolts, and it's on exactly the same principle as the gun and arm would work on. You can pretty much move it in any direction, well, up and down. And that's how it looks on the inside, basically. So just held on with a couple of bolts. That's the most simplest design I could think of to get this to work. My only concern now is whether it's going to interfere with the rotation on the neck bin. So when it goes on here, I need to work out exactly how high my neck bin needs to be, otherwise it won't rotate properly, because the problem with this kind of design is that the top part of this mechanism is going to hit these uprights, and that could be problematic. So I need to work out exactly the height I need to be. Worst case scenario is I may have to change or alter the design of this disc to give me more clearance, because the top of the neck bin might... okay, it's getting quite late, but I've managed to sort out most of the mechanics of the dome now. So it's now rotating quite well. I have to mess around with the height a little bit. I chopped down the uprights a little bit too short. I had to extend them a little bit. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's better than it was anyway. And I've got the eye stalk up and running now, so that's kind of fully posable. And it's working on the same principle as the arm and gun, with a kind of clamp, kind of backing plate to hold it on with. And yeah, really that was the entire problem, was trying to get this to work with this ball joint, because none of my existing plates, I had to do away with that one. That one wasn't working as a top plate for the neck bin. It was just getting in the way of this mechanism, and I've had to do a lot of jiggery-pokery over the day just to get this thing to do anything. So I'm quite pleased with that. Yeah.